Think premium TV without the premium price tag. Yes, it's possible, and it's called the TCL C8L Mini LED. So, is the TCL C8L Mini LED TV really the best bang for your buck in 2026? Let's run a quick screen check. This beast of a TV hits up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness. Translation: it laughs in the face of sunlight. Watching the game in a bright room? No problem. It's rocking super quantum dot mini LED tech, squeezing in over 4,000 local dimming zones on the 98-inch model. For ultra-precise lighting, bye-bye, annoying halos around text and explosions. Gamers, you get a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, plus AMD FreeSync Pro, so no more blaming lag for your losses. Colors? It covers 100% of the BT 2020 gamut. Think richer reds, deeper blues, and everything in between. Verdict time. If you want a huge screen that slays in bright rooms, the TCL C8L is a top contender, at half the price of those fancy badge brands. But if you're all about pitch black movie nights, OLED still has a slight edge.